how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
How did you celebrate your summer vacation?
Yeah, good. However, this summer was so hot.
I experienced the same.
Earth faces a triple planetary emergency. The climate is heating up too quickly for people and nature to adapt. Habitat loss and other pressures mean an estimated 1 million species are threatened with extinction. Pollution continues to poison our air, land, and water. The way out of this dilemma is to transform our economies and societies to make them inclusive, fair, and more connected with nature. We must shift from harming the planet to healing it.
Good news is the solutions and the technology exist and are increasingly affordable.
World Environment Day (WED) is celebrated annually on 5th June and is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. It was first held in 1974. It is a platform for raising awareness on environmental issues such as marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, sustainable consumption, and wildlife crime.
World Environment Day 2022 is hosted by Sweden. Only One Earth is the campaign slogan, with the focus on living sustainably in harmony with nature.
An earth anthem penned by poet Abhay is sung to celebrate the World Environment Day. Our cosmic Earth is cosmic bluebird, the most beautiful planet in the universe. Our cosmic Earth is cosmic bluebird, all the continents and the oceans of the world. United we stand as flora and fauna. United we stand as species of planet. Black, brown, white, different colors. We are humans, the earth is our home. We are humans, the earth is our home. Our cosmic Earth, cosmic bluebird, the most beautiful planet in the universe. Our cosmic Earth is cosmic bluebird, all the people and the nations of the world, all for one and one for all. United we're for the blue marble flag. Black, brown, white, different colors. We are humans, the earth is our home. We are humans, the earth is our home. We are humans, the earth is our home. All of us, as inhabitants of our planet Earth, are required to do all that is possible in our power to keep our environment clean and safe for us and our future generations.
There are umpteen ways to spread the word among writing slogans and showcasing them on social and public platforms has proven to be very effective.
Slogans convey the message in the most simplest form, in a way that it remains in the hearts and minds of anyone who come across it.
Trees are the lungs of the world. Plant more trees to help save Mother Earth.
Use, recycle and reuse.
Protect the forest. They are the climate umbrellas of our planet.
Go green, breathe clean.
Keep the oceans blue, the planet green, and animals safe. Plant trees to make our environment pollution free. Love to breathe, save the trees.
Let us nurture nature to have a nurturing future.
Let us hold hands and work together towards a safe and healthy environment. Save our planet.